So we wanted to share a special training lesson from our Guide to Expired Domains for Beginners course that's currently on sale at RapidLevelUp.com for you guys. Now, this particular lesson is on the good and bad use cases of expired domains, so hopefully you enjoy it. I want to talk about good and bad use cases for expired domains, okay? So here are things you shouldn't do with expired domains. So you shouldn't redirect an expired domain to a completely irrelevant site. So say, for example, your expired domain is about gardening. You don't want to redirect that domain to a completely different website that's not about gardening, like, for example, technology or sports or something like that. Now, the reason being is that it can confuse and frustrate users who are looking for that gardening content. And it can also be seen as spammy and will negatively impact your SEO. And the next thing you don't want to do is to build an unrelated site with an expired domain. So if you purchase an expired domain like plantstore.com, you don't want to launch a site around technology like smartwatches, phones, things like that. Your website content should accurately reflect the name of the domain and its previous content. Now, this next one is important as well, and that is you shouldn't use expired domains for email spamming. Now, some people buy expired domains to send out mass emails, mass cold emails. Now, because that expired domain already has a reputation, those cold emails are less likely to be marked as spam. So many people purchase those expired domains to blast off hundreds of thousands of cold emails, but you definitely do not want to do this. Now let's talk about what you should do with expired domains. So you should redirect topically similar expired content to an existing site. So if you've purchased an expired domain all about gardening, you should redirect that to a gardening website. So this will maintain user expectations, and those existing backlinks from that expired domain will reflect content on that new site that's topically relevant. And you can also build and launch a website around that same topic as the original domain. So if you've purchased a gardening related expired domain, you want to build a gardening related website for that domain. So this will maintain content relevance and ensure backlinks make sense. And lastly, you want to use expired domains for your niche business idea or to build an affiliate website. So one of the main things you should be using expired domains for is to launch a new content site to earn passive income. So that's really one of the main goals here, is to use expired domains to launch quality websites, rank in search engines, and earn passive income through affiliate links, or maybe to launch your own products. Okay, so those were the main good and bad use cases for using expired domains. So I'll see you in the next training. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed this training lesson from our Guide to Expired Domains for Beginners course. Now, this is the perfect course for beginners that teaches you step by step on how to find, vet, and use expired domains for your money sites and private blog networks. Now, if you want to learn more and enroll in this course, then simply go to RapidLevelUp.com. Now, we currently have a special offer specifically for Keywords Everywhere customers. So if you subscribe to either the Gold or Platinum plan, we will give you full access to this course and all of the other courses. So go ahead and check it out, and we will see you in the next video.